If you're tired of dragging heavy corded vacuums around, constantly unplugging and replugging them, and struggling to clean stairs, cars, and tight spaces efficiently, this Dyson V11 torque drive delivers twice the suction of any cordless vacuum with intelligent auto adjustment that optimizes power and runtime across all floor types. The LCD screen shows real-time performance, including remaining battery life and maintenance alerts. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free power and high torque cleaning that automatically adapts between carpets and hard floors, it transforms to a handheld for versatile cleaning. Advanced home machine filtration captures 99.97% of particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns, while 5 specialized tool handles everything from pet hair to car cleaning.